Hi guys, welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to show you how to remove Cydia from your device. Many people asking how we can remove Cydia, and many people don't know how to remove Cydia. They are just simply taking uncover and jailbreaking, and after jailbreaking uncover will not open, and now they don't know how to remove Cydia. Now in this video I'll show you how to remove Cydia. Make sure you have uncover. To get uncover there is a two method. First way, definitely computer. By Allstore you can install any apps like uncover and all that, and there is another method which is no computer, and no computer which is frequently it will revoke, and you need to subscribe my channel to get updated for those, because I'll frequently make those video. Whenever certificate will get signed, then you can install uncover on your device. Now as you can see, I have used Allstore to install uncover on my device. So for that you need an IPF file. You can manually sign up for 7 days and you can install uncover on your device. I'll leave a link in the description for both method, like no computer and Allstore. So make sure you check those videos, and I do have a website so that you can check on my website too. I'll leave a link in the description. Now once you get uncover, you need to jailbreak your device. Once you jailbroken, then you need to go to the click on that gear button, and inside you can see firstly you need to disable auto updates off. Okay, make sure you make it off. I'll show you why you should do that. If you go to the setting, if you scroll down and go to general and software update, there you don't get software update. Why? Because uncover will block that update, and that is by default it will be tick. So when you are unjailbreaking your device, so make sure you disable auto update off. So once you do that, now to unjailbreak, you make sure you turn on that restore root FS option. So then only you will get you can remove the uncover and Cydia from your device. So once you done that, make sure you put your device on the flight mode and click on restore root FS. So that way you can we can unjailbreak our device. So this is the way we can do that. If you see unexpectedly it is you went to the home screen, so open uncover again and try again restore root FS. So this time if you see it is working perfectly, and make sure it is done perfectly till 31st attempt, and it, you will get the pop-up of there we go. As you can see, jailbreak completed. That means we are completely unjailbroken, and now device will restart automatically. So if you have any tweaks installed already on your device and Cydia, everything will be wiped out. There is no data remove. Your personal data will not remove, definitely. Only jailbreak related stuff will be removed. So as you can see, Cydia has been removed perfectly, and Cydia was why Cydia you can't remove manually means that was a system app. So once you unjailbreak, then only you can remove. Now you go ahead and remove uncover and Allstore manually. You need to do that manually. So now this way you can unjailbreak your device. So as you can see, perfectly unjailbroken, and now you can see update has been came. That means we are now completely on stock mode. So hope you guys understand, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Shivam signing off, and it's always peace.